can't find a home. For a while I can keep him satisfied, but there's one thing that always hurts my pride. When all it wants to find that he's up and gone, he's gonna look for something he can't find a home.
We got Emma Bama and we got Ava Faith. How'd our girls sleep last night?
Good and bad. He went to look for something he can't find at home. But the granny claims it's help him on to learn to cook. 'Cause I'm gonna hunt me one of her cookbooks. Then man of mine and he won't have to roam. Things he goes looking for, he can then find.
Daddy! Hey! You can't get quick!
No, hold on the rope.
I am holding on.
Okay.
I can touch the bottom.
You want Ava to get in there with you?
Yeah! Come on, Ava!
Got hit with the first Ozark thunderstorm here. Isabella, what kind of conditions are we reporting right now?
We're gonna have a big thunderstorm.
Ava's been one of the best captains on the boat.
Oh no.
Sophie's been the biggest fish on the boat so far. Silly goose.
Daddy, quit.
Five crazy cowboys heading into town. One's got diamond rings and a big old chain, thinking he's the cat's meow. That crazy cowboy, oh, he's riding on a cow.
Kind of the department walking
Better get the sheriff, something's going down. Five crazy cowboys heading into town. Now one is singing out of tune, not hitting a note. That crazy cowboy is riding on the goat. Five crazy cowboys, oh, they're crazy running wild. Five crazy cowboys, oh, you better run.
What is that noise? What's that noise in there?
Daddy, no!
No, right here.
Ava's gonna hit.
Girls, come right here. No, we're not going any further than this, but come right here and feel how cold it is in here. Right here.
Now one is backwards, upside down, howling at the moon. That crazy cowboy.
I think they blocked it all off. This is where the man needs to come here. You feel how cold it is in here, girls? Wow. Girls, look at this mine.
One's dressed up as Santa Claus, way up in the air. That crazy cowboy, he's riding on a reindeer. That crazy cowboys, oh, they're crazy.
Nice cold water. Okay. Let's go.
Now you better run and hide.